What's today's letter?
I wonder what today's letter is. What's this? Oh, it has 2 ears, a pointy nose, and a tail. It looks like a rat. Rat. That means today's letter is R, the letter R. Phonics, phonics, Mama T loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics.
It's time to find.
What begins with R? Oh yes, a rat. Rat. Anything else? A beautiful rose. Wow. Red rose. And a rainbow. So many colours in that rainbow. And a rubber. That's great for rubbing out all your mistakes. I can see something else. Can you find it? Yes, a radio. Radio. Well done. You found everything.
It's time to write.
Here is the capital letter R, the letter R. It looks so different to the lowercase letter. It stands up very tall. It goes up with a big circle and then kicks out at the bottom. But today we're learning about the lowercase letter R. Let's write it now. Stick out your index finger and turn it on. Now you have a magic writing finger. Start at the top, go down, back up and over to make a little arch, but it doesn't touch the bottom. Let's try again. Wow, well done. You've written a very good R. You have earned yourself a gold star.
It's time to read.
Rabbit. Radish. Rainbow. Raspberry. Rat. Ring. Robot. Rocket. You've earned your second gold star. Great reading.
It's time to sing.
Now make the R sound. Well done making the R sound for the letter R. You sang so well, you've earned your third gold star. Wow! You've learned to say the letter, write the letter, read the letter, and sing the letter. That's amazing. Well done. Make sure you check back again next week for more videos uploaded weekly. If you would like to practice your phonics and letter sounds more at home, then visit my Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Just look up Mama T Phonics. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.